Hello traders, the title of the video is how to trade stocks using a double edge trading strategy. Alright. The financial instrument that we are analyzing is Caterpillar Incorporation, EPIC CAT, Charlie Alpha Tango. And I'm on the monthly chart as usual. And we want to talk about how to trade stocks using a double edge trading strategy. Alright. If you want to know more about trading on the edge, you need to go to www.stochastic-market.com. For this double edge trading strategy, we will use a Pitchfork tool, not one. We're going to use a two Pitchfork tool for this stock analysis. So 3 points we need to draw the Pitchfork tool. I'm selecting 1 point here, which is a significant low. And I will use this top here for my second point. Yes. And I will use this one here as my third point. So that's my first Pitchfork tool. As I told traders at Day Pro Traders, the Pitchfork tool allows us to determine the possible path that the price is likely to take. So it's pointing up. So after, you see, after those 3 points start going up, we know that it's likely to stay within the boundaries of the Pitchfork tool. That's where it is. Now you can see, stay within the boundary of the Pitchfork tool, and it's likely to continue to go up. And if it's going up, it will be somewhere in this channel, in this Pitchfork tool, or it can break above it. And if it's becoming bearish, it will switch to the lower part of the Pitchfork tool before coming back below it. Powerful tool for day trading, swing trading, and position trading. So talking about a double edge trading strategy, I'm going to place another Pitchfork tool. So we are using a Pitchfork tool, all right, instead of one. Again, I will use this one here as the first point of my new Pitchfork tool. Just going to change the color of that one into orange a bit. That's it. And then I'm going to choose this top here as my second point. I use this one as my third point. Now we have a Pitchfork tool on our chart. Have you ever used a double Pitchfork tool on your chart? If not, well, you can watch the full length for this video to understand what we're about to do. Okay, a double edge trading strategy. So we want to look for trading setup on the edge of any of those two Pitchfork tools. You can see that the lines are crossing, it's all over the place. It's carefully done, all right? Okay. All right. So where are we now and where are we going? Okay, that's what traders do care about, all right? So you are trading Caterpillar stock. You want to know where we are now and where are we going, okay? So one thing I say to traders, so I'm going to change the color of my second Pitchfork tool into green, so you can differentiate between the two Pitchfork tools that I'm using on my chart here. So that's the green one right there. One thing also I say to traders that whenever we draw the Pitchfork tool, we can divide each half of the Pitchfork tool into two. So for the green one, that's the first half here. There's another half on top there. And because this is the median line of the Pitchfork tool, so if we draw the median line of the first half, this is the median line of the first half. I will color that median line. Which color would be nice now? Red. That's the red line there. So where are we now? We are on the edge of the median line of the green Pitchfork tool. If we did not put those two Pitchfork tool on our chart, probably you will not know that you're on the edge of the median line of the lower half of the green Pitchfork tool. So we are on the edge of it. You see carefully, you see, a professional know that. Can you see that candlestick bar got a shadow? This one did open here, people start selling, And this one also they are trying to sell here. This is where we are now. Will you agree? Or you do not have to agree, all right, that using a double pitchfork tool instead of one can also help us to improve our technical analysis. Yes, it can, all right. So we are on the edge of it. But apart from the pitchfork tool, there is also, going to connect this point and this one here. So apart from that, hold on please. Okay, so I'll just leave this one here connected to this point, and this one, and this one connected to this point, and this one here. We have that declining trend line. Professionals are also aware of that declining trend line. Not only that, whenever we see intersection of a trend line or a normal support and resistance level at any part of the pitchfork tool, this is an intersection between that trend line and the median line of the lower half of the pitchfork tool. This is what? A hot spot, a trading zone. And the professional know about that. All right. Okay. So where are we going? Okay, that's a very good question. Now it breaks above the media declining trend line here. All right. It's a little bit. It can consolidate between the red line and the blue line. So blah 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 before or down. But as things stand now, all right, we will be giving priority to bearish signal below the red line and priority to bullish signal above the red line, red trend line right here. All right. If we continue our analysis, let's draw a median line to the upper half of the brown pitchfork tool. So this is the upper half of the brown pitchfork tool. Are you with me? Okay. All right. Is that a median line? Okay. Let's color that one into orange. You can see that professionals were using that orange line, which is the median line of the upper half of the brown pitchfork tool, and the price was coming quite close. All right. So to that, the median line, the orange line right there. All right. They were aware of it, yes or no? Okay, so you may say, Joe, you didn't answer the question so far. Where are we going? So I say priority to bullish signal above the red line, okay, priority to bullish signal below. But if it start coming down, be aware of the median line of the lower half of the brown pitchfork tool. Don't get confused. Stay focused, please. Focus, all right? Here we are. So there's a resistance there. So priority to bearish signal below the red line. If it start coming down, the first support level is this trend line here. If we continue to go down more, we need to pay attention to the median line of the lower half of the brown pitchfork tool. All right. So you go to the median line, to the blue line or to the median line. If you find the support, it may continue to go up more. And as it's going up, we watch the intersection of those lines here. Okay. Each resistance ahead. So you may say to me, George, I'm a day trader. Why are you stuck on a monthly chart? So now that we have done it on a monthly chart, nothing can stop us to go, for instance, to the hourly time frame. Here they are. Those lines, some of them are here. You see what I was telling you, can consolidate. Was it that? Let's go back again to clear up that quickly. Or tell you that it can consolidate. Didn't I tell you that it can consolidate between the red and the blue? Blah, 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 blah. Did I say that before? So now that we go to the hourly time frame, it's exactly what it was doing now. Blah, 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 blah. Between what? The red and the blue. Amazing, yes or no? It's amazing. So we are using, instead of one pitchfork tool, we are using double pitchfork tool. We draw the median line of each half. And we can switch even into the 5-minute time frame. Let's go to a 15-minute time frame. Here we are in 50-minute time frame. Okay, scalp less, draw your trend line and see what's happening. Okay, blah 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 blah, up the 50-minute time frame. Stochastic oversold, RSI oversold, overbought, blah blah blah. This was going on here. All right. So whether we are day trading or swing trading, even scalping, we can use what we call a double edge trading strategy, and we want to trade on the edge of a trend line. We can use a double, a pitchfork tool for that strategy. Doesn't matter, all right, you see? So it's all map out, and I can leave them there. So, if there is a trading setup, we will monitor the candlestick pattern here, all right? That candlestick pattern must close. So if I go, for instance, to the 4-hour time frame, today that are using the swing 240 free trading system, TST traders. Here it is on the 4-hour time frame. Let's try to place on our chart the stochastic indicators, because traders love technical indicators. See, yes, George, place the stochastic there. And as always, I will change the setting to my favorite setting, 833. You knew I'm going to do that, isn't it? You knew. Oh, you knew. So you have been a subscriber for years now, so it's good. Going to squeeze my volume thing down, so we may see more. The stochastic indicator, and I will change my setting again to 833. My favorite setting. By the way, I need to apologize to a trader, a TST trader, because normally I should send you one video earlier. Has been a bit busy. Was it Richard? Richard? Okay. All right. So the person understand. All right. I'll get back to you in a few days. Okay. We have not forgotten you. All right. So here we are. Stochastic is here on the 4-hour time frame. Trader love the stochastic on the 4-hour time frame. Oversold, overbought. Now this is a consolidation between two trend lines. See, overbought. Apply top-down trading method, or use the swing 240 free trading system. Overbought. And then if you are trading the overbought, please, my friend, don't just say that it's going to go down. At least come on, settle like couple. You see, this is a good one. Break below, retest on the edge. Stochastic was overbought for a long time. People were selling. But this is it. That's where he was ready. Finally, he break below it and retested it here. And this one usually take, you see this candlestick bar here, the pin piercing through this pin here. It's a candlestick bar piercing through that red trend line. Game on, boom, 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 down to the next support level. Now it form a doji. Game on, stochastic is oversold, doji. Implement a top-down trading method on the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame. So this is a trading setup. Stochastic oversold, a nice hammer plus a long tail near a support level. That's the trading setup. We go to the 15-minute time frame for the signal, and then we enter the trade either on the 3-minute or 5-minute time frame for day trading purposes. Because we know that it's a consolidation taking place between the two lines. Well, that's what people are doing here. Anytime you want to sell, don't just sell. Use different time frame trading method. Pay attention to the common central line. And if the signal fell, just come out. Sometimes signal do fail. All right? It will start first, and then again, the market sentiment change, the price will do hide and seek game with you. So you see now. So this is just to highlight the double edge. All right, a trading strategy using a double pitchfork tool instead of one when we are analyzing any financial instrument. The financial instrument that we are analyzing today is the Caterpillar Incorporation, Epic CAT, Charlie Alpha Tango. All right, so break above, retest the red line, all right, or pull back to retest the blue line, or even the orange line. It can even go down all the way to the green line. But the most important thing right now, it breaks above that bearish trend line is good. So if we are selling, we need to be very careful because we are expecting can consolidate between the red and the blue for some time before it will go down or up. So with those lines now on our charts, all right, we can go into the mind of other traders, especially area wave traders, Fibonacci traders, to understand what's going through their mind. We can also go into the mind of market geometry trader. You can see that there's a channel. There's a channel here. Now it's breaking above that channel. Because it's breaking above it, if we go into the mind of market geometry traders use the Pitchfork tool. If you want to know more about Pitchfork tool trading, subscribe to Day Pro Trader YouTube channel, all right, where I have a playlist about Pitchfork tool, all right? And then they will project it. Am I correct? They project it like this and draw another line that is parallel to that blue channel. All right, and again, the intersection between the Pitchfork tool and those lines are hot spot trading zone. Don't forget them, okay? So this is the end of this tutorial about how to trade stocks using double edge trading strategy. We were using double Pitchfork tool instead of okay. One, to determine possible reversal point, okay, on the edge of the lines of the Andrew Pitchfork tool. All right. As always, when we recognize a trading setup in the vicinity of one of those lines, we will use a different time frame trading method, okay, to trade it, okay, like a pro. All right. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If you find this video useful, let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you think that this is another blah blah blah, let us know by giving us the thumbs down. If you think that this is an essential tutorial, feel free to share it on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to trade stocks using a double edge trading strategy. Happy trading to you all and speak to you soon.